Good morning guys. Magandang araw, magandang buhay. Let's do some simple exercise. Stretching muna tayo, stretching. Yan guys, simple exercise lang po guys sa morning bago natin gawin yung ating mga tasks the whole day para ma-stretch yung ating mga kalamnan at yung blood flow natin ay maging maganda. Yan. Sana makatulong guys yung ating simple steps. Kahit ano namang steps, basta stretching lang. Bye, see you again. Thanks for watching.